So we begin with a big issue, digging in for the long haul. President Trump says he's very happy with the current trade impasse.
Trade is the pinnacle of something much bigger.
Far more about world power and hegemony.
Reordering of the global trading system.
Things are not moving the right way.
Things are getting more heated up.
More antagonism.
Further escalation of these trade tariffs.
It's getting more and more difficult to pull out of it.
It just adds, I guess, a bit of volatility and uncertainty to markets.
The trade war is one thing.
Huawei, to me, is a protection move.
The Cold War of tech is another.
We aren't just attacking a company. We are attacking the Chinese government, I think, to some extent.
The blacklisting away indicates that this tension will continue for the foreseeable future.
This is a 5 or 10 year story. This isn't a 5-minute story.
Joining us around the table to discuss, Kathy Jones of Charles Schwab, Chad Morganlander of Washington Crossing Advisors, and Greg Peters of PGIM. Guys, great to have you with us. Kathy, let's begin with you. Do we need to be prepared that this is going to take a whole lot longer than maybe some people thought a month ago?
Yeah, it certainly looks like it. We had thought, or maybe wishful thinking had us thinking we get something wrapped up pretty quickly here and settled, and now it looks like it's going to be with us for quite some time.
Greg, your view too?
Yeah, the markets were way too optimistic on things that they know nothing about. And I think that's kind of the headline here, is that as financial analysts and investors were talking about what's in Trump's head, politics, things that are not really in our wheelhouse. And so it's not a surprise that we're surprised, I think.
Chad?
So this is about a political risk now that's bleeding into business risk, and you're going to perhaps see over the coming months some additional stress within the system.